2004 Lexus LS430 V8. Sexy wheels, tinted windows, tinted headlights. I remember when they first came out. These things were like such a big deal. They still are. They're really nice cars. They were the flagship of Lexus. Anyways, there was only a single cat right there before, which is right there. But you know, to stay within the lot, we took it off and put 2 high flow cats in its place. There and there. Then we ran 2 1/4 true duals all the way back. And it continues and continues and continues all the way into 2 sexy carbon fiber tips. Right there and right there. But look at that, guys. See what I'm talking about? All the way back. And then this was what was on it. We showed you guys the cat. Then it had 2 massive resonators and 2 mufflers. And the mufflers were all rotted out, as you guys could see. So it was a good thing he brought it, and we took all that off and made it super loud. It looks so much better, so much cleaner now. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. It's not loud. Perfect? Here's sound decibels. 118. Good Lord. LS430 I've heard in a while. Oh yeah, gotta back it out. You like? Thumbs up? Yes. LS430 V8. And we just finished this beautiful, sexy thing. Look at that. I love the taillights on this thing. I love it. Lexus LS430. Here and just go crazy. Let you guys hear on the inside. See you guys, enjoy it. Lexus LS430. Especially with the skull in it, it's perfect. That's freaking awesome. Beast mode out of a Lexus. Oh, it sounds so good, guys. Enjoy.